Okay, so I wanted to look at how we can create footings for stairs in a quicker fashion. So I've already got a section cut across this this area of paving, and you can see our stair treads, but we don't have a footing here yet. And I think this is the fastest way to do it um, that just helps us be efficient. So we're going to open this up and in the annotations we're going to draw the shape of our footing. And we'll just follow this path, and then I usually like to just do like a 1 foot by 1 foot beam as a standard. So we'll just draw it like that, 1 foot by 1 foot. And then we're just going to go back up to this corner, and then we're going to go back to the corner that we started at. And then we're going to use this, and we're going to pull this 6 inches. Because I want to make sure we have 6 inches here for our concrete structure. Now we're just going to finish modifying this. We're going to pull that to that edge. Let's close this section, and we'll go ahead and take that to the corner like that. So that's the profile of our footing now. So we're just going to take this and we're going to copy it with Command C. We're going to exit out of this view, and now we're going to go to our model. Now I have a saved view for stairs, so I'm just going to open that up. And this basically just has all of my stairs objects and structure on it. So let's see, this is the stair we are working on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this one that we already have, and we're going to copy it over. I'm just going to copy that to here. There. And then we're going to hit Edit, Paste. Now we have the stair object here. We're going to change this to Layer Plane, and then I'm going to go ahead and do an extrusion on it with the model while it's still selected. So I'll go to Model, Extrude, and I think these stairs are 5 feet. So I'm going to do a 5-foot extrusion. Now that's going to be down here in the bottom, and it's going to be at the wrong angle, but we're going to fix that. So you can see the shape. So let's just go ahead and copy that up to where it's supposed to go. Here we go. Let's see. We're going to here. That's what I thought. Okay, here we go. Now we've got that up there. Okay, so you can kind of see we need to do some rotating, so we're just going to use our rotate tool. And we're gonna set this to automatic. Okay, we're just gonna rotate that across the plane that we need to rotate it by. And then we're just gonna move this into place. Okay. Now you can see we need to get rid of this. So we're gonna go and edit the modifier that's here. We're just going to delete it because we don't need it because we have our own modifier now. We'll just take the slab, put it in the corner so that we can use that there. Yeah. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to add a little bit of footing to this. It doesn't really matter for our section, but it theoretically makes it more accurate, I guess. So we'll just go ahead and make it accurate. And I'd like this to be 1 foot, so we're going to change this to 1 foot tall. We're going to extrude that. We can use our push-pull tool. We push it down to there. Let's add these two objects together. Now we have one solid. And then we're going to add those to this slab. So add 3D objects to slab. Hit OK. And now you have a footing for this here. Now, this little piece actually goes over the top of a wall, so we're not going to worry about that because that will be part of our wall structure. So there you go. Now we can go back to our sheet, which is 502. I'm going to hit save real quick. And we're going to rerun this section. Get rid of that. Let's check and make sure that the structural class is on. It is. Okay. And there you go. Now you have a footing. Now sometimes will not join these two objects. So the quick fix is we're just going to draw a polygon and like this there. And we're going to make this our slab structural CFE concrete. Yes. And we're just going to turn all the lines off so we don't see it. There. There you go. Now you have structure underneath your footing. So let's talk about how we would do a measurement on this. So on a section, what the most important thing is how to get the structure. So I actually prefer to do measurements to the structure versus the finish, because that's what someone is going to use to actually set this up. And then here, the same way, we're going to go to there, here, and then we'll do a measurement there. We'll do a measurement here so they know that's 6 inches. And then maybe a couple of benchmarks. Let's see. we can do, I think there's 2 benchmarks here. Let's use our offset tool, turn both of those on. Do this one at -6, that'll work. Do them both at maybe 3 feet shoulder. There, that's better. And we'll call this top of tread, or top of stair. And we'll call this top of slab. There. And now we've got sort of what we need there. We can go ahead and put some data tags on so that we have finishes. We can use this data tag. Okay, I'm gonna adjust this measurement so I can see it. There, and now we have all of our finishes applied. And that drawing is finished. I have not done my crop yet, so I'll go ahead and fix that. Let's see. So we can go ahead and see how this works. So we'll go here. We'll just crop it along the bottom edge of the paving. Want this to actually align with the other one, so we're gonna go to there. Now, let's see. What I do is I use the section. We have one called profile section, so you can use that line type class, and then we'll hide the lines that are not part of the section cut. So we'll just hide these edges, and then now we have. I'm going to delete the other one. There. You can see that's there. Crop visible, we'll make that show up. Delete these are from a copied viewport. Adjust these a little bit. I like everything to line up, so we can just make all this line up. There. And now we have a section drawing for the stair structure. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.